Custom Vehicle Solutions is an entity outside of Peterbilt in Denton, Texas. We take a blank Peterbilt chassis and turn it into the customer's truck. And what I mean by that is we are taking the chassis and adding the componentry to get that truck to work. The CVS team and the engineering team specifically has over 70 years of experience. We're agnostic to any brand. We still work on everything else. So we want to diversify what we do as it relates to upfitting, as it relates to product offerings, and how we go to market. The engineering team really differentiates CVS and enables us to integrate with the chassis and the engineering teams from the OEMs. What we're looking at from a lithium perspective and going away from the diesel is the lithium is sustainable and can remain operating more than 10 hours, whereas a lead acid battery in the life cycle and duty cycle gets depleted quicker. Lithium mitigates that and allows us to run all night, single operation without restarting. CVS is what we like to call the tip of the spear for the enterprise as it relates to emerging technology. So we want to stay on the forefront of current and upcoming technology to ensure that we are presenting the best and most viable options for our customers and fleets.